So Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are new type of money, but what is the total amount of money that exists in the world? What's the total money supply in the world? I think this is really important for us to know because we are involved into cryptocurrency space, and cryptocurrencies itself is a type of money. And so some very useful resource that I found is called howmuch.net. And so it turns out the total money supply in this world, including all the fiat money, right? Including all the notes, all the coins, chillers, as you call it, turns out to be $95.7 trillion. That's the total money supply, guys. Now compare that to the coin market, which is about 217 billion. It's not even 1 trillion. And this is about 95 trillion. Huge, long way to go. Now, even before that, let's talk about the type of money. So something that I really important I found, I'm not sure if you already know this, or if you don't know, I think this might help you. But if you know already, let me know if it is right. So there are three types of money. First one is M0. Now M0 is all the physical cash, like literally notes which is being printed, plus all the coins, all the chillers as you might call it, right? So M0 is all the physical notes and the coins. And then comes the M1. Now what is M1? Well, add something more. What is it that you can add more? Banks. Banks have tons of money into their bank accounts, right? They are nothing but these are digital numbers. They are not physical notes, they are not coins, but these are digital numbers. That's your M1. And then you have M2, which is all the physical notes, coins, and all the bank's ledger, plus stock and bond. So that is M0, M1, M2. It's a good to know information since we are into cryptocurrency. So including all of that, it comes out as 95.7 trillion is the total money in supply in the world. And out of that, 43.2 trillion is the physical money. So we have cryptocurrency market, which is still at about 217 billion. This is long way to go. Now, and at this stage, a lot of people have been calling it a bubble. It might be a bubble, it's not, but this bubble is not big enough. We have now another way to compare this is recently you heard the news about Turkey news. So it turns out that people in Turkey are now going to accumulate more of a cryptocurrencies than Bitcoin instead of accumulating the physical notes and cash and all. So now the number of total users have gone on to 18%. Romania is 12% people who are holding Bitcoin cryptocurrencies, Poland 11%. So as you can see, people are literally shifting from your fiat money to the cryptocurrency money, which is a new type of money. We can see that, and they have all the reasons to shift that. Of course, if you compare that cryptocurrency market to the total money that exists in the globe, it's a very, very tiny fraction of it. So it turns out that cryptocurrency market have a long way to go. And it's gonna, maybe in the next 5 years or the next 10 years, we can see some significant growth if you have some working product, working use case out of these tokens. But this is where we are heading. This is again not a financial or investment advice, just my personal opinion. I would love to know what your thoughts on the total money supply in the world. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe if you're new, hit the like or dislike, and I'll see you next time. Take care.